Mastering Local SEO for Small Businesses in 2025. Local SEO aims to attract local customers through relevant searches. It does this by optimizing a business's online presence. These searches often use location-based keywords like near me, in, city, or closest. Studies show that 78% of local mobile searches lead to offline purchases. Google Business Profile Optimization. Google Business Profile, GBP, formerly Google My Business, is key for local SEO. A fully optimized GBP ensures your business appears in Google's Local Pack, Local Finder, and Maps. Mobile optimization. Most local searches are on mobile. So, a mobile-friendly website is a must. In 2025, Google's mobile-first indexing makes your site's mobile version vital for search rankings. Localized content creation. Content for your local audience helps establish your authority and relevance. Local keywords. Use location-specific keywords in your blog, service pages, and meta descriptions. Online reviews and reputation management. Online reviews significantly influence local search rankings and customer decisions. In 2025, businesses with more reviews and higher ratings tend to rank better. Local backlink building. Local backlinks show search engines your business is relevant to the community. Partner with local organizations, work with local charities, schools, or businesses. Get mentions and backlinks from them. Voice search optimization. With the rise of smart speakers, optimizing for voice search is crucial. Conversational keywords. Focus on long-tail, conversational phrases commonly used in voice searches. Schema markup. Schema markup helps search engines understand your website's content better. Adding local business schema to your site can help you appear in rich snippets. Social media integration. Social media platforms play an indirect but significant role in boosting local SEO. Local hashtags. Use location-based hashtags to reach local audiences. Focus on hyperlocal keywords. Hyperlocal keywords target specific neighborhoods, districts, or landmarks. Create pages for specific locations. For businesses serving multiple areas, create unique landing pages for each. Leverage AI and automation tools. AI tools can simplify and enhance your local SEO efforts in 2025. Chatbots. Use AI-driven chatbots to handle local customer queries efficiently. In conclusion, to master local SEO in 2025, use both old best practices and new strategies. Optimize your Google business profile. Create localized content. Manage your online reputation. Stay ahead of tech trends.